Yes, it's Baker with a razor tongue. Witness to this serpent son, tearing no arrow and devastating. I'm dropping bombs. Hollow to my marrow, ain't no love for what I see. These coward suckers, I don't trust them to the wolves we feed. Money is what fuels the great, just give me some and all is safe. Don't hesitate for what I ask or else I'll crush your fucking face. 6 feet where your ass was placed, left alive inside a box, just to give your death a lay. Let you ride under the rock, cold sorrow, the future of tomorrow.